we can fight for me, and where somebody was single over overseeing, you can come for me and carry me over foreign and can have children. Yes. You understand? Because me be honest to you, me love work and me can take care of a woman. And that woman want a good man. A good man, you know, say you're married to me and me we settle down. But you see some woman, yes, some of them don't have nothing to be. But they watch inside a man, you know what you outside. Yeah. Because Karen not lick me up. And that's why I want a woman now. If you're single, I want somebody who is single from overseas. You understand me? Yes. And can help me with a little money and so. Yes, and hug me up and kiss me and say, babes, I love you, you know. Babes, I go down the road there, so you know what they made there? Yes, and take marriage seriously. Yeah. Yeah. And me want me stay with if a lady, if a young girl see me or overseas, right? And she want to, and she like me will leave Karen and come to she. Is that more better off for me? Me serious. So the lady who, the girl who in the panel live and said that I talk to me and you're single and you want and you say Shawn ain't serious, me serious for true. You might think I joke me make, but me serious and me want the help for true. Cause right now I want the house. I want a house right now soon as possible, please. And that's what I say, yeah, I want a house. Me can't live in it. You understand? Soon before December, before the New Year, sir. Soon as possible. You understand? So that's when the landlord come now. And anything and he put me out. Me can say yes. Me sell it so and so. Get a truck, come for the things. Me go in the next house. Me not no problem. Me can have a roof. Me can afford to go in the rain. Rain a fall, me go do. Go wet up. Me can afford it. Me a pay the rent. Cause me work, me do a little work over Shamies. Me pay the little rent. Understand me? I pay the little rent. Yeah. When